This scent. Long time no see. It's commendable you got this far. Especially for a puny insect. Don't you agree, Tanjiro? Akaza!
This boy is not weak. Don't insult him.
This boy is not weak. Don't insult him. I must admit that Kyojiro was right when he said that. You are certainly not weak. In fact, I commend you. Goodbye, Giyu. I've been saved by Tanjiro. All of the cells in my body, down to the ones in my hair, are screaming at me to kill him as soon as possible. I don't know what kind of change he underwent, but he's dangerous.
You evil demon! Atone for your sins! At the cost of your life!
None of this makes any sense. Don't you feel any pain? Are